Welcome to the Rock Your Class Math Minute, brought to you by me, your host, Etienne, with ideas and strategies taken from and inspired by the #1 best-selling book, Rock Your Class. Get ready for today's Math Minute topic.
Linear equation.
What does the dictionary say?
Involving measurement in one dimension only, pertaining to length.
Math rap.
Linear equations make a straight line. When graphed, you see, it's often written in the form of y equals mx plus b.
Math rap.
Linear has the word line in it, and that's a strength, like a straight line that can be measured in length. Explain linear in your own words. Are your thoughts linear on the subject? Use a linear equation to show how much money someone makes for working at this hourly rate, $25 per hour, 8 hours a day. Now it's your turn for some inspection and reflection. You can rewind, rewatch, and pause any part of today's Math Minute. Complete the activity tool, then share your ideas with a partner, in a small group, or with the entire class. Enjoy exploring and discussing today's Rock Your Class Math Minute. May all your math minutes rock!